Okay, so this is the replacement of the center support on the drive shaft. I have the exhaust hangers unhooked at the front. The ones here in the rear, that one right there and that one right there, are real pains in the rump. So I'm gonna try and see if I can remove this. And I'm gonna swing the bracket out from in the middle. That one right there. And see if I have enough clearance that the exhaust is able to just hang, because it needs to be out of the way. That is the back end of the shaft and the flex disc. So hopefully I'll be able to remove everything without having to remove the whole exhaust. So following up on the next video.